Breaking UI UX myths. What's outdated in 2025? Bust those old rules. Hey, are you still following those old school UI UX tips? Something like users don't scroll or use only 3 fonts. If yes, then stop right now because in 2025 many of those design rules are outdated. So today we are going to bust the top UI UX myths. And I promise after watching this video, you will design smarter, not harder. So let's get started. Hi, I am Ramal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. Myth number 1. Users don't scroll. The very outdated thinking. Put everything above the fold. People won't scroll. In 2025, the reality is something different. Gen Z lives in scrollable interfaces. Instagram, Reels, Threads, Zomato reviews. We all scroll naturally now. So what to do? So design engaging, not stuffed top sections. Use the visual cues like arrows, gradients or animations to guide the scroll. Myth number 2. UX is equal to minimal design only. It's very outdated thinking. Good UX means minimal, black and white, no emotions. But in 2025, reality is people now expect vibrant, fun, emotional designs. Look at the apps like CRED, Boat or Spotify. So you can use the colors, micro interactions, personality driven text. So don't be afraid to stand out of it fits the brand. So myth number 3, mobile first is equal to mobile only. Another outdated thinking. So only focus on the mobile. Nobody uses desktops anymore. Actual reality is the productivity apps, banking, dashboards and even LinkedIn, the desktop UX still matters. So especially for the working professions. So what to do now? Design with a responsive mindset, not just mobile first. Don't ignore tablet and desktop users. Myth number 4. You need a fancy UI to look professional. Another outdated thinking. So add gradients, 3D cards, glass morphisms. That's modern design. But the actual reality is, real UX is actually speaking, it's solving the real problems. Clean, fast loading interfaces always win over just eye candy. So what to do now? So you can use visual trends smartly, but never at the cost of usability or the performance. So think like a Zomato, bold design plus ultra clear flows. Myth number 5. One resume and portfolio works everywhere. Another outdated thinking, right? So make one perfect resume sent to all the companies. But in 2025, reality is totally different. Startups, MNCs, agencies all want different vibes. So what to do now? So you have to customize your portfolio and messaging for the kind of a job or project that you are applying to. So you have to customize your resume using with the keywords. Myth number 6. UI UX is only for designers. Another outdated thinking. UX is only for the designers with a creative background. So, but in the reality today, the marketers, founders, developers, product managers, all are expected to understand the user experience. So what to do now? So if you are switching a career from a non-design background, don't worry. So UX is a mindset and anyone can learn it. Alright, so this is for the conclusion. So my friend, UI UX in 2025 is all about understanding the users, not blindly following old design rules. So you have to clear the clutter, break the myths, design for today's users, not yesterday's textbooks. If this video helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment about which myth you have heard the most. And subscribe for more non-fluff design content every week. So until next time, keep designing smart. I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye.